Who is Esther Lederberg? You've probably never heard of her, but she's had such a massive impact within the science community.
Esther was born in 1922, a time when girls were not always encouraged to pursue science.
But Esther's curiosity switched from what was expected of her, the world of languages, to the world of bacteria and viruses, those little things that cause diseases, your colds and coughs.
She developed new techniques to study bacteria, making it easier for scientists to understand how they grow, adapt and interact with their environment. In 1950, she isolated a virus called lambdaphage, which is known for its role in E. coli. In 1953, she published work showing that lambdaphage could insert its own DNA into the DNA of different bacterial cells. This work was the foundation for further research into how different viruses replicate.
One of her most important contributions was the discovery of a method called replica plating, a technique that allowed scientists to quickly study how bacteria change and adapt to different conditions and help them to make a perfect copy of the different pattern of bacteria families growing on an agar plate. This technique revolutionized mutation screening and tracking, making methods which would usually take a long time into something that was quick and easy.
But Esther's achievements were not always recognised as they should have been. In the male-dominated world of science, Esther often faced barriers and biases, which was common for many women in science during that era.
Esther met Joshua Lederberg over their love of science while studying at the University of Stanford, and they married in 1946.
In 1958, her husband was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his discovery that bacteria can exchange genes. Joshua, however, gives zero acknowledgement to Esther, even though his research was heavily influenced by her work.
So the next time you'll learn about bacteria or genetics, remember Esther Lederberg, a scientist who continues to inspire us today.